To draw the letter C from alphabet lore step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing a shape that looks similar to a sideways rectangular curvy shape. This will be the outline of the right eye of our letter C. On the inside of this shape, let's go ahead and draw two diagonal lines going from left to right. These two lines should be parallel, which means that they would never intersect if they were to keep going forever. Well done! By drawing those two lines, we just drew the top and bottom eyelids. Now in the center, let's go ahead and draw a small circle shape that is filled in completely black for the pupil. Nice job, this is a great start. Now let's go ahead and draw the second eye, which will be connected to the one that we just made together. This eye will be the exact same as the one that we just drew. And don't forget that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video or rewind as you need to. So now that we have the eyes drawn, we can now go ahead and draw the outline of our letter C. Let's go ahead and draw a curved line connected to the top right portion of the eye. Then we'll draw an additional curved line connected to the bottom portion of this eye. Keep in mind that the letter C that we're drawing will look similar to a bubble letter, so let's go ahead and connect from the left side all the way over to the point of where we just stopped for the top. Nice job! Now let's go ahead and do the exact same thing for the bottom as well. At the end of today's video, I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors, and don't forget that we've drawn other alphabet lore characters as well. This is how to draw the letter C from alphabet lore. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and great job today. See you next time! Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.